Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well and welcome to the platform of CodeChef. Okay, so today we're gonna be solving the problem Chef Loves Cakes. The difficulty level for this problem is Cakewalk and the prerequisites required are your basic mathematics. So this is your educator Ansh and I hope you like my video. Let's proceed to the problem statement. Okay, now let us try and understand the problem statement. Chef was bored staying at home in the lockdown. He wanted to go out for a change. Chef and Chefu are fond of eating cakes. Decided to go to the cake shop where cakes are possible and all prices are available. They decided to purchase cakes of equal price and each of them will pay for their cakes. Chef has only denomination of n, whereas Chefu has that of denomination m. So they want your help to find out the minimum amount to be spent in order to purchase the cakes. Okay, so let me just summarize the entire problem statement for y'all. Basically, Chef only has coins of denomination n and Chef who has only coins of denomination m. Now they want to buy equal price of cakes, or basically they want to buy a cake of equal price. So they want to determine what should this price be such that it could fit in the denomination of n as well as it could fit in the denomination of m. So let me try to explain what I'm saying using this example test case. Here I have my denomination of 2 and I have my denomination of 3. Here the cake amount is nothing but 6. That means my chef can use 3 coins of denomination 2 to generate the amount 6 and my chef who can use 2 coins of denomination 3 to generate the amount 6, and 6 is the minimum possible amount that can be used such that my 2 and 3 both are able to form the sum 6, right? This is what the example test case is saying. Now how will we approach such kind of problem? So just by simple observation, the minimum amount, the our required amount is nothing but the minimum amount that should be a multiple of 2 as well as that should be a multiple of 3. And what is the property for that? You're right, it is the LCM or the least common multiple, right? So least common multiple is nothing but the lowest common multiple, which is multiple of both the numbers 2 and 3. So this is what you're looking for. So for any general case LCM, so in this case my LCM of 2 comma 3 is 6 and hence the answer for my case is 6. So for any generalized n and m, the answer for my case is nothing but least common multiple of my n and m, right? And this becomes the approach for solving this problem, that for any n and m your answer is LCM of n and m. So now let's see to the coding section how we can implement this particular approach. Okay, now let us try and understand the code for the following problem. So here I include all my necessary header files. Then in my main function, I initialize t as the number of test cases. Then I input t as a number of test cases. For each of my test case, I input my n and I input my n and m according to the input format. And then the answer is LCM of n comma n. Or in other words, my LCM of n comma m can also be represented as a product of both the numbers n comma m divided by its greatest common divisor of n comma m. And greatest common divisor is an inbuilt function in C++ as well as Python. It can be implemented as GCD, right? So here we simply calculate the GCD of n comma m. We divide it by n into m is divided by the greatest common divisor in order to get our LCM. So here we can easily get the LCM using this thing and we'll print our LCM for each and every test case. So this becomes the code for solving this particular problem. Now let us run our code on the example test cases to see whether everything is working correctly or not. So as you can see, we got the exact answer according to the output format. Now let us submit our code and see whether everything is working correctly or not. Okay, so as you can see, we got the correct answer for the following problem, and yes, this becomes a valid approach to solve this particular problem. Okay, now let us try to understand where people can make mistakes in this particular problem. So here, the approach was quite clear, or the main observation that was important was that you simply find the LCM of the number and you print it. So if that particular observation was clear, I think the implementation of this code is quite basic and there are almost no chances that people can make mistakes in this particular problem if your observation is to the point, right? So this is the learning you get from watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.